Which of the following reaction is or are electrophilic substitution? Option A, bromination of aniline. Option B, nitration of aniline. C, sulfonation of aniline. And D, all of the above. So they asked which of the following are electrophilic substitution reaction. So electrophilic substitution reaction means electrophile comes and attached to the ring. So here they have a star aniline, therefore aromatic ring is there. So that electrophile comes and attached. So in a bromination, option A, bromination of aniline. So in a bromination, so here if we have a aniline, bromine group comes and attaches to the aniline. Okay, so bromo group comes and attaches. So here brominase acts as an electrophile. So this is acts as an electrophile. In nitration, if I consider nitration, so NO2 group, so NO2 plus, so will generate during the reaction, and NO2 is acts as an again electrophile. So it's also electrophilic reaction. So if we move on to the sulfonation, that is treating with sulfuric acid. So in this reaction, SO3H, so that is acts as an electrophile. So in all the three options, this is an electrophilic reaction itself, because in all the three, electrophile comes and attached to the aniline group. So therefore correct answer for the above question is option D, that is all of the above. Bromination of aniline, sulfonation of aniline, and nitration of aniline, all the three comes under electrophilic substitution reaction.